So, looks like I'm learning C Sharp. So I wanted to start off by showing you guys this. This is the only, the only project I've made with C Sharp, not C++, yeah, C Sharp so far. And, uh, just wanted to show you how basic it is. You can move left and right, and you're constantly moving forward, and your goal is just to dodge blocks. And there are 5 levels in this game. That's basically it. You just dodge blocks. There's a little counter down here, basically counting the time, if I remember correctly. Yeah, and then if you hit that, you just restart the level. Yeah, it's a pretty basic game. Uh, and yeah, I just decided recently that I wanted to start learning to like how to use Unity, so I can start using that for 2D games. Since most people most people get mad at me for making 2D games in Unreal Engine, but the thing is, I really only know how to use blueprints, so yeah, I'm gonna try to learn C Sharp so I can start making 2D games in Unity. Also, I'm planning on making 3D games in Unity as well. I really like Unreal Engine, but yeah, I think for at least 2D games, I want to start at least attempting to use Unity. Okay, so that's going to be the first. This is the first clip. I will be showing you guys the next thing I do right about. So I'm advancing already. I've made the best, most difficult code you can do in any coding language, which is the Hello World code. Basically, you say console right line hello world, and boom. And 1 second. Boom. Hello world displays in the console. Now, obviously that's not actually the hardest code. That's the easiest thing you do. Uh, yeah, I don't even know why I did this. Like, this is something I already knew how to do. I just thought it'd be funny to put it in there. Okay. Next up, we have this. Okay, so now I've done just playing around with some variables. Like like integers and stuff, and also doing some like math kind of stuff, equations, or like adding stuff together. Oh, actually, I actually no, I don't know if I did equations in this one or if okay, yeah, I did an equation here. If I run this, then you can see this displays 0, which, yeah, I have this our number equals 0, setting our number to 0, then writing the line out to the console. So write line console.writeLine our number, so it should write our number, which right now it equals 0, which that's what it does there. And then the next thing is 10, so console.writeLine, yeah, I did the our number thing, and then our number equals 2 plus 2. Wait, what? Oh, okay, and then console.writeLine our number. Did I do something wrong here? I just confused. Oh, no, okay, yeah, I did, yeah, I did equals 10 and then our number, which, yeah, that displays 10, or that outputs 10, and then this is what outputs 4, because then I set the our number to 2 plus 2, which equals 4, and then write that out. So yeah, that's 4. Then I have a decimal number. Yeah, I have a decimal number which is set to equal 10.15. Just writes out, yeah, console write line, decimal number. And yeah, I wrote off the right one, which is 10.15. And I have, I set a variable here, but I didn't do anything with it yet. Actually, I don't think I did anything with it at all, did I? Oh no, I did down here, yeah. Anyways, then I have a variable here, which I set to be C, just the letter C, which is a character, yeah, character variable. And then I wrote that out, console.writeLine my character, so yeah, that's C. Then I just did a string, which is my name, and yeah, I set my name, or yeah, the string my name to zrobin, which yeah is my name. Console.writeLine my name, which is zrobin. So yep, that's right. Okay, and then here's where I use. No, number, yeah, this number I made up here. So I do new variable, yeah, I made a new variable here, so this variable is going to equal our number minus number, which, oh yeah, our number is the one up here, which at the moment equals 4. So yeah, at this point in time, where it's doing this equation, it equals 4. So it should be 4 minus 5, which is -1, which that's true. That's what came out. Then we have right line, new variable, oh yeah, that's what just happened, -1. And then I have a boolean, which I just put as temp for temporary. I don't really know why. And then equals true. Then wrote that out. And since I said it's equal true here, it wrote true out on the console. And yeah, that's basically it. So I'm understanding things a bit more now. Basically just right now I'm mostly playing around with simple equations and console, like writing stuff out on the console. I'm planning on doing like maybe like a calculator or something soon, but I have one more thing to show you guys, which I think I'll just open it now, like instead of waiting for another clip. So let's go to this. I just was doing some if statements. Yeah, let's do console. Yeah, let's just go ahead and run this. So I just put here console right line first condition, just basically to sort it out a bit. And on the first condition, it's if big number is not equal to smaller number, which this bigger number equals 10 and smaller number equals 1. You can see that up here. Also, the exclamation mark equals means not equal to. Yeah, and then I write that out, console.writeLine. So only if it's not, a bigger number is not equal to small number, it'll write out bigger number plus is, or yeah, it'll write out this bigger number is not equal to smaller number, or it'll actually write out 10 is not equal to 1. Which, yeah, that's what I wrote out here, 10 is not equal to 1. And then on the second condition, I did the just write second condition in the console again. Bigger number equals smaller number, which the equals just means equals, because if you do one equal sign, that's assigning. So you would be assigning it, like you see up here. You're setting big number to 10. So if I only put equals here, then I think the bigger number would end up equaling 1 as well. So yeah, you have to put 2 equals there. Then I do if bigger number equals smaller number, console.writeLine bigger number is equals to smaller number. Oh, I should have put equal to, but it's fine. And if it doesn't, then it goes down to the next thing and says else, which it's just, yeah, if it doesn't do this, then it will do this, which is console.writeLine else, and that's what it did. And basically, yeah, I'm not gonna read through all of these, but you get the point. All this is working out how it's supposed to, and yeah, this is all I've done so far. Next I'm going to be working on a calculator, I think. Yeah, some sort of calculator, and I think that'll be a pretty cool thing to start off with. And yeah, that'll probably be the last thing I do in this video, actually, because it's actually been like a week since I started this. I mean, I haven't been only doing this stuff, but I've only had a couple days free, or a couple hours free this week to work on it because I've been doing school stuff, but I think I've done pretty well. And I have a video planned for after this that I'm going to do too. I'm planning on making my first game with Unity. Well, first game in air quotes, that is, since I already have that other one. But I want to do like a more detailed game. I might even do some pixel art for it. I really like doing pixel art. I might do some videos of that sometime too. Anyways, that's going to be it for this clip. See you guys in a second. Well guys, it's been a week since I started learning C Sharp, and I haven't spent like every day learning C Sharp. I've had a lot of schoolwork to do too. So I haven't learned as much as I'd like to have, but I have learned a lot. And I just made one final little thing here that I wanted to show you guys. I wanted to go ahead and make, like, you know, some kind of app, and a calculator was one that was easy enough to do. It only took like 20 minutes. It would have taken less time, but I was struggling with this part. Well, basically all of it. That time lapse you just saw was the one there where I actually succeeded on it. I had like a screenshot up on my thing at monitor of one that I already did. Or at least I didn't I didn't do all of it, but like this part. And yeah, you probably saw me struggling in the time lapse a bit. But anyways, let's go ahead and I think I have to click Control F5. I think that's, yeah. And I want to show you how show you guys how this works. So if I type in a number, let's do 60 and 10, then it does all like plus, minus, divide, and multiply. It does all those things, and it also like prints it out like 60 plus 10 equals 70. That's right, it did the math correctly. 60 minus 10 is 50. That's right. 60 divided by 10 is 6. That is correct, and 60 times 10 is 600, and that's correct. So my calculator is working. You can't do numbers that are too big. I don't know the limit on integers exactly. So if I click Control F5 again, let's do like 2000. Is that too big? And 2000. No, that's not too big. Okay. 2000 minus 2000 is 0. 2000 plus 2000 is 4000. 2000 divided by 2000 is 1. 2000 times 2000 is 4. Wait, is that 4 million? I think it is. But anyways, yeah, you guys can see it's working. My calculator app is working. And yeah, this is basically the end of the video, but I do want to tell you guys I do have another video planned that has to do with C#. I'm going to be making or at least attempting to make a game in Unity in a week, like maybe a week or 2 weeks. I'm not gonna like actually give myself a time limit on it, but I will be doing a video on it, and I'm planning on doing some sort of top-down 2D game or something like that, and I think it'll be fun. Like, the reason I want to do 2D is because, well, mostly because I'm not really good at like 3D modeling, but I'm kind of okay in pixel art. Like, not the best, but I've had quite a bit of experience with pixel art, and that's, yeah. I think it'll be fun to try it out, and I've been having fun just recording videos. It's actually given me like a sort of like motivation to keep learning this kind of stuff in my free time. I don't know, just it gives me like, yeah, yeah, it makes me want to learn this more, just so I can make videos as well. Makes me feel like I'm not just wasting my time learning this. And I don't feel like this is a waste of time anyways, because I'm having a lot of fun and it will be pretty useful, especially since I'll finally be able to have or like use Unity once I, learn this pretty well, get pretty used to using it. And yeah, because I wanted to be able to make 2D games in Unity since people get mad at me for making 2D games in Unreal Engine, but yeah, I'm only really good with blueprints, so I need to start learning how to code. So anyways, yep, that's gonna be it, guys. I hope you guys had a good time watching, and I hope to see you all next time. Have a good one. Goodbye.